Hello everyone. This is Neena from Ajayasthomani Guru, bringing you the latest updates and advanced analysis on the global commodity markets. Let's dive into today's news. The global market witnessed a positive surge today as Asian stocks advance, driven by encouraging comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Powell's remarks have solidified expectations of upcoming interest rate cuts in the US, significantly boosting market sentiment across the region. Asian markets showed robust performance, with MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan climbing 0.26%. Meanwhile, Japan's Nikkei saw a rise of 0.49%, approaching the record high reached earlier in March. Powell's assurance that the US is back on a disinflationary path played a crucial role in this positive trend. However, he emphasized the importance of more data before making definitive decisions on rate cuts. The prospect of US rate cuts led to a decrease in US Treasury yields, which fell by 4.3 basis points overnight. During Asian trading, the 10-year note yield remained stable at 4.433%. This decline in yields also subdued the dollar as investors analyzed data indicating a tight US labor market. Currently, traders are pricing in a 69% chance of a rate cut in September, with the possibility of up to 2 cuts by the end of the year. This marks a significant shift from earlier expectations, which had anticipated over 150 basis points of easing. In China, the market exhibited mixed reactions. Early trading saw a slight dip in stocks, with the blue-chip CSI 300 index down by 0.27%. Conversely, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index experienced a modest rise of 0.3%. Recent data revealed that China's services activity expanded at the slowest pace in 8 months in June, with confidence levels hitting a 4-year low. This underscores the need for more economic stimulus to sustain growth. On the currency front, the dollar index, which measures the greenback against 6 major currencies, remained steady at 105.71. The yen hovered near its weakest level since 1986, trading at 161.63 per dollar, close to the 38-year low of 161.745 touched on Tuesday. The yen has depreciated by over 12% against the dollar this year due to the significant interest rate gap between the US and Japan. Analysts suggest that Japanese authorities might intervene in the currency market if the yen weakens further. Meanwhile, the euro last traded at $1.07455, just below the 2-week high reached on Monday. In France, political dynamics intensified as opposition parties coordinated efforts to block the far-right National Rally (RN) by agreeing to withdraw candidates from the runoff election to avoid splitting the anti-RN vote. Additionally, data indicated that Eurozone inflation eased last month, although high services inflation might pose concerns for policymakers. Sterling remained stable at $1.2685 ahead of the UK general election on Thursday. In the commodities market, oil prices rose on hopes of strong fuel demand during the US summer driving season. Brent crude futures increased by 0.44% to $86.62 per barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude futures were up 0.41% at $83.15 per barrel. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned to Ajayasthomani Guru for more insights and analysis on the global commodity markets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.